Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to create this look for you guys. This look is just for Valentine's Day. I think this is the perfect look. With red lips. The eyes are quite complicated, but we're gonna do this. So first off, I started off by priming my face, and I used my LA Girl primer, and then I color corrected my face, my dark circles and spots, and then I blended this in with a blending brush. And then after that I went in with my Hager and Esther foundation and I just blended this all over my face. And then I went in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and I just used this to highlight my face, normal parts that I usually highlight. Just went ahead to blend this in with my beauty blender. Blending is key, you guys. And then once I was done blending, I just used the edge of my beauty blender just to blend the edges so it doesn't look as harsh. And then I set it with my Black Opal loose setting powder. And then I contoured my face off camera and highlighted my face with my ZKL Cosmetics highlighter. Highlighted my brow bone and the normal areas I would normally highlight. Then now I'm just going to start off with my transition color. Now I'm using a dark brown color. I realized that I was too far, so I decided to zoom it in. I'm using a dark brown color as my transition color. And I'm just going to blend this and keep blending until I am satisfied with the way it looks. And then I'm using a darker brown color with a this is like a tapered blending brush. Yes, I'm just using this on my crease. Yes, my crease. And then I'm blending it back with the same brush I used for my transition color with no additional product. And I just kept going back in and blending and blending. So now I used the same brush but with that same dark brown color, and I just used that to blend. And now I'm using my concealer. This is the LA Pro concealer in Fawn, and I'm just using this to cut my crease. I wasn't this fast, but then I had to make it faster just because it was going to take like forever if I played it in real time. And I just used this to cut my crease, and I just want you guys to notice how I'm cutting my crease because I can't really explain this part. But then yeah, this is just for those of us with hooded eyes. You too can wear a cut crease, even though it's going to be kind of small. You should go above your natural crease, if not the colors are not going to show up. And now I'm just placing this like gold color on my eyes, on my lids rather. And then I'm going to place a brighter color on the inner part just to make it pop and have that like transitioning look. Then after that I'm going in with the dark brown color I used on my crease and a small brush just to enhance my cut crease. And then I'm using a dark brown color to blend out the edges. Now I'm just going to use my wing liner just to create like a smoky wing liner like I did on the other eye. I saw this technique from Taylor Made Jane and I really loved it, so I decided to try it out even though I have hooded eyes. This was the look I created, but then with different colors on a picture of someone's makeup I did on my Instagram. You guys should check it out if you haven't seen it already. And then I'm just setting it with a dark brown eyeshadow. I didn't want to use a black because it was just going to be too harsh. Now I'm using my blush palette from Classic and I'm using this orange blush just to bring some color back to my face, and I'm using my Beauty by AD lipstick in Hot Shot. Is this Hot Shot or Bell? I think it's Hot Shot. Yes, it's Hot Shot. I'm just using this to outline my lips, and I'm using my Dose of Colors lipstick in Brick. Yeah, in Brick. And I'm just going to blend this together, and yeah, this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.